So there's no metal brick over here. So using this tree or this branch, making sure that it's thick and firm so that to no break. Wow, checking for the intensity of everything. Man, creative man is serious, so genius, Akasa. Okay, so we just got some maize from the farm, and man, what to tell, bro? So, man, they can't be in the farm and be hungry. Everything's over here. So the fire that was set aside from under the pot is that what they're using it to roast this corn. So he's placing the way that he'll be able to turn it. He's saying that you need to take something before you drink palm wine. You need to take some pepper and salt in the form of like a food. Anyway, wow. So this is pepper and salt. Say no worry.
Yeah.
Wow. So pepper and salt to present as food before you drink palm wine if you've not eaten in the morning. This is work and happiness. So you are working and having happiness as well. Man, I do. In Sindaco, Accra is overhyped. Man, I keep saying, visit villages. And explore things for yourself.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is a boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. So over the weekend we went to the farm to distill alcohol using palm wine, which I've posted already. If you've not seen it, you can check in the description box or check it out on the page and watch it. And during this process, it was time for lunch and we had to prepare some food in the farm. Man, we prepared one of the delicious Voltarian food, which is akple with hot pepper and smoked fish. It was really amazing. We also roasted some corn. We had some palm wine, fat party and everything. Oh, cuddle. So this kind of video that I do is to bring back memories to those who have been to the farm before and also to show non-Africans our lifestyle, our culture, our tradition, our local way of living, and also those who have not been to the farm before to know what they are missing. This is an interesting video to watch and I hope you enjoy it. So if today's the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. I hope you enjoy the video. Please share and let's showcase our culture to the world. All right, let's do this.
Man, I want to eat here, so some transaction going on. He's going to buy fish from the town because we are deep inside the forest. Here, no reception, no telephone reception. So if something's supposed to happen, but it's all beautiful. So you're about to cook inside the farm, man, to dine with these amazing people over here. Man, life is nothing, you know. Today you are here, tomorrow you are gone. So you need to cherish life and make sure you have the best feeling for yourself anytime, any day you have the opportunity. As I said, today you are here, tomorrow you are gone. So what is life? To be around this place, to have fun. Man, come to villages and then try things for yourself. Happy yourself. Man, they don't want to sell me. They don't want to use me. Okay. Me, I'm a village boy. Okay. I'm a village boy. Yeah. I'm not a dadaba. Okay. I'm not a dadaba. Yeah. I sell ice water. So yeah. I sell watching. Yeah. I sell watching before. I sell ice water before. Yeah. I sell everything. Everything. Which is everything fencing. Agbelemo. Yeah. Okay, so this Agbelemo Akple, right? Or Akple and Kahon. Agbelemo. Okay, so we eating Agbelemo. This is Agbelemo, and this is the water that we'll be using to mix and cook everything. So this will go on fire. So no hard feelings. Okay, so the fish is here. The motorman is here with the fish. Akple some. Where corn flour? Okay, this is corn flour. So we add very little of corn flour to the the cassava dough. So this is cassava dough and there's very little of corn flour. Yeah. I put you on me. Yeah, this is for you. This is special made. So we've added corn flour to the cassava dough. Yeah, this is the porridge of the akple. So as you can see, we have no lady over here, no female over here. He is making everything for the family inside here, for the farmyard. Yeah. So salt is being added inside the cassava dough. This is a local salt. So there's no metal brick over here, so using this tree or this branch, making sure that I stick and firm so that to no break. Wow, checking for the intensity of everything. Man, creative man is serious, so genius, Akasa. Hey! Hey, then a wardrobe class use wood or stick as bricks. I'm not fair dread. Anyway, experience. Hey, come and do a come and do a idea about quick. Oh, mamma. Man, this is genius. This is genius. You see the table that they put over here? Man. So you set some and set aside as always. So we stir. While stirring, the tomatoes also goes inside like that. Do chop. So as I keep saying, these are the little things you can happy yourself with. Man, nothing serious, nothing big, nothing extraordinary. But the atmosphere or the feeling over here is amazing and exceptional. Man, I keep saying, you don't need much to be happy. Very little, village life forever, you know. Okay, so we just added our porridge to it.
I like the herb.
Yeah, so the cassava dough hasn't come. It will come very soon. So cassava dough is being added now to the condo, to the Akple. It's not ready, and as usual, this is the Voltarian style. Everything goes inside. Come on, I turn it. Yeah, so you see how smooth the pot look like, man. Amazing. You know. So this is the fish. And again, these people over here, amazing and lovely people. But when you see them outside, you might give them a different judgment altogether. Man, never judge a book by its cover, as they say. Until you get close to someone, you never know. Lovely people. Man, they just welcomed me nicely this morning without questioning me. And because of this nice hospitality, I'm about to dine with them as well. As I said, you need something little to be happy in life. You don't need much. Very little thing, and you are good to go. So this is our... Man, some amazing local stuff over here. Cooked with passion and joy. Looks delicious. Man, once in a while you should have this thing in your system. And the food is ready. And it's about to go down. The whole family. Family gathering. Amen. Amen. So that's Jacob, that's Ishmael. Bossway. Hey, you Eric. Leonard. Hey, I'm about to do to you. And also Isaac. It's a Bible meeting, I say, you know. Man, food cooked with passion, love, and happiness. Amazing. So, our motorbike has puncture. So, we call someone, there's no reception over here, so we had to walk like some minutes ahead, okay, to get reception to call the repairer. And since the person doesn't know the place, we hear a motorbike passing. So they are shouting to draw the person's attention that, hey, we are here, inside here. We had puncture, and we called for different mechanic backup. And this is the mechanic, the organizer. So we've rectified the issue and he has solved it. Now we have our motor back to life. Yeah, so we are enjoying ourselves and it is what it is. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, turn notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Let's meet again Water legendary or Kodo. For Shizzle and Nizzle, I'm out. Say hi, brother. What's up? Good. Over here, are you shy?